you ever imagined a technology that could transform farming while also providing you with secure, fixed returns? Introducing the Pavaman Drone Lease Scheme, a unique opportunity where you invest and they take care of everything else. They manage cutting-edge drone technology and your investment, allowing you to enjoy reliable returns while supporting innovation in agriculture. But first, what exactly is a drone? Hello and welcome to Wallah English. I am Tanisha Sharma and let's get to know about drones today. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), are aircraft that fly without a human pilot on board. Instead, they are controlled remotely or operate autonomously using pre-programmed flight paths, advanced sensors, and GPS technology. While drones were originally developed for military applications, they have found wide-ranging uses across various industries, including logistics, media and film, infrastructure inspection, precision agriculture, security and surveillance. Often equipped with HD cameras, thermal sensors and AI-powered tools. So we can say that drones are revolutionizing the way work is done. In agriculture especially, spraying drones are revolutionizing farming by reducing manual labor, enhancing precision and significantly boosting productivity, redefining the future of how we grow our food. Now let's talk about the drone revolution in Indian agriculture. So the power of drones in transforming modern farming in India is far more than just flying machines. They act as soil doctors, analyzing soil health and composition, and also precision pesticide spraying ensures accurate and efficient application. And water use analyzers help optimize irrigation. Also, the aerial crop monitors providing real-time insights into crop health. Thanks to drone technology, farmers are seeing remarkable results. Also, the crop yields have increased by 20 to 25%. Costs are reduced by 30%. And the time efficiency, that is improved by 40%. And with large-scale mechanization gaining momentum across the country, drones are at the forefront of this agriculture revolution, reshaping the future of farming in India. Now let's talk about the growing market demand and also India's drone future. Well, the Indian agriculture drone market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 25 to 30% over the next 5 years. And the rate of adoption is skyrocketing, driven by strong policy support and widespread mechanization. So basically, drones will become an integral part of precision agriculture, enabling farmers to manage soil health, irrigation, crop monitoring, and pest control with greater accuracy. And advancements in AI, IoT and data analytics will enable drones to provide real-time insights and predictive analytics, helping farmers make smarter decisions. But wait, before we introduce the Pavaman Drone Lease Scheme, here's a brief overview of the companies that are driving this vision forward. So Pavaman is a part of the Kapil Group, a trusted name with over 4 decades of experience across diverse industries. And in line with this vision, the group is actively investing in advanced farming technologies to help increase farmers' productivity and improve agricultural outcomes. Under this mission, Kapil Group is driving innovation through 3 specialized verticals. Pavaman Aviation, introducing drones and other cutting-edge equipment including robotics for application in agriculture and the defense sector. Second is Pavaman Agri Ventures, offering services like soil analysis, leaf analysis, and precision spraying to help farmers make data-driven decisions. And the third is Pavaman Technologies, leveraging advanced technology and artificial intelligence. Pavaman Technologies helps predict and analyze plant and soil health, empowering farmers to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Together, these initiatives reflect Kapil Group's commitment to modernizing Indian agriculture and building a more productive and resilient future for farmers. With the growing demand for drones in the agriculture and the group's forward-looking vision, this is the perfect time to merge investment with innovation. Now let's talk about the Pavaman Drone Lease Scheme. The Pavaman Drone Lease Scheme turns cutting-edge drone technology into a steady income opportunity. So basically, you make a one-time investment of 12 lakh rupees to purchase a Tejas Agri drone along with all required accessories from Pavaman Aviation, a DGCA authorized drone manufacturer. Once purchased, you can immediately lease the drone to Pavaman Agri Ventures, who will use it for spraying and agricultural services. You earn high, consistent returns, while Pavaman Agri Ventures will handle all logistics, operations and maintenance. This lease scheme means the drone generates revenue actively every month, and you can choose two plans for leasing the drone with Pavaman Agri Ventures. So the plan A, you have to invest 12 lakh rupees including GST, and the returns you will get, it is 25,000 rupees every month for 66 months. That is 5.5 years. Now if we talk about the total earnings, that would be 18.06 lakhs, including residual value of rupees 1.56 lakhs. Now let's talk about the plan B. So in the plan B, you will have to invest 12 lakh rupees including GST, and the returns you will get 22.44 lakhs lump sum at the end of 66th month, that is 5.5 years. Now the total earnings would be 24 lakh rupees including residual value of rupees 1.56 lakhs. Now let me also tell you about the advantages of lease. So first, fixed returns. Earn a steady income without exposure to market fluctuations. Second, zero maintenance hassles. They handle all maintenance and service requirements. Third, comprehensive AMC for 66 months. Includes free replacement of spare parts. Fourth, agri-tech investment. Contribute to sustainable farming through technology-driven solutions. So your role is very simple. You invest and earn fixed regular income while they handle everything else. This isn't just a farming project. It's a complete drone as a service business model open to everyone, from professionals to retirees. Traditional investments no longer deliver attractive returns, but agri-tech offers both growth and purpose. Enjoy steady, hassle-free income without active involvement. So what are you waiting for? Make your move today. So whether you are a visionary, a risk-averse investor, or just someone looking for fixed monthly income, Pavaman Drone Lease Scheme is just built for you. Or call now on 90631 49790 or 90634666062 and visit www.pavaman.in. Limited slots available. Don't miss the future. Pavaman, where your money takes flight.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.